can talk.
Today I'm drawing Kingdom Force, but it's not done yet. Now it's done. This guy over here. This guy.
And you can know that this Spider-Man can do different moves. He can do like skydiving move, or he can just do like, do punch moves.
Now, that's Rod the Ice Cream Man and feed everybody.
That's Rod, right?
Rod the Ice Cream Man. It's Rod.
If you've never watched Kingdom Force before, you need to go back and watch it in YouTube. Guys, now you can talk whatever you want.
Okay. Today this is the world, but I don't know. I can draw this thing. I'm drawing it. Super
A new guest today. Yes. Guys, and now we're guys gonna show you how to draw.
It's a DJ Marshmallow.
Yeah, DJ Marshmallow.
White. I already draw his face.
Here comes Spider-Man.
Venom. This is Venom, but Venom and Bendy put together.
Levi, talk about Venom and Ben. What did he do?
Venom defeats Spider-Man, and then Bendy works in the ink machine, and then he come out in the ink machine. Bye. See you next time in the chapter 2.